Today we took a trip to our local co-op and we just discovered that they have bags and bags of compost out back, which is, um, it's great. We produce a lot of, well, our ducks produce a lot of bedding hay, which is a lot of carbon material for the compost heap, but we're usually short on nitrogen, even though we use their manure and our kitchen scraps. We just don't always have enough. So we put our lawn clippings in here too, but I think this is going to be a really good new source of nitrogen for the compost because, as you can see, you might not be able to see, but it's steaming up a little bit and it's definitely warm. It's definitely warm to the touch. So this is going to be our new system. We'll go there twice a week and look for big bags of kitchen scraps and start composting them. It's just another way that you can kind of find waste but free kind of treasure for your little homestead or farm or whatever you got going. So we encourage you to go look for food scraps at restaurants. Maybe get some chickens, get some ducks, and start turning this waste into black gold. We wrote an article for Mother Earth News that you guys can read by going onto their blog website and searching Sacred Circle Homestead. There'll be a little article about the basics of composting, so that kind of works with this pretty well, this timing. So yeah, hope you guys start to compost your stuff into better stuff to use for growing stuff. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.